Hello here once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I want to share with us how you can get your YouTube channel monetized from any country. If you are based in an ineligible country, then I'm going to show you a way around that, how you can get monetized from any country in the world as far as YouTube is concerned. If you are a content creator or you are thinking of going into content creation, or you are producing any kind of content and you want to expose it on YouTube, you should be aware that it's not every country that YouTube gets monetized, right? It's not every country. There are some countries that are not monetized, or that are not eligible for monetization as far as YouTube is concerned. So in this particular video, we're going to be looking at how we can go around it. Okay, let's get to my desktop. So the first thing is you can see exactly, you can go to YouTube Hub, then you're going to see YouTube monetized markets. You see the various countries that YouTube monetization is available. When we talk of YouTube monetization here, mainly it's talking about the YouTube partner program. Okay, and there are other ways that you can still make money out of YouTube without necessarily being admitted into the YouTube partner program. So here you're going to see, you can see beginning is alphabetically. Algeria, you can go down, you check your country, you see I'm in Cameroon, for instance, and you can see Cambodia, Canada. You see there is no Cameroon here. There's no Cameroon. You go down, you check your own country, you discover maybe your country is not there. You see there is Ghana. You see there are other African countries, but there is no Cameroon. There is Nigeria. You can see Nigeria and other countries. So you see this is the list. This is the list of countries that are monetized on YouTube. So now if you are not in this country, what are you going to do? Okay, let's get to this dashboard. Okay, here you're gonna see, let's go to YouTube. You can go to studio.youtube.com, studio.youtube.com, and ensure you are logged into that particular channel in that browser, right? So as it opens, you see, okay, this, I'll use this channel to demonstrate that. So when you come here, normally when you come on earn, you click earn to check if your location is, those are two ways. Either you can go to YouTube Hub to check out the countries that are eligible, or you come directly to your YouTube studio, you click on earn. Once you click on earn, it's going to show up here. You see monetization is not available in your location. You see the YouTube partner program is not available in your current location, Cameroon. If this is a mistake, please update your location. So it's not available in Cameroon. Why? Because when you create your, wherever you create your YouTube channel, it automatically picks up the location where you are at that particular moment. So here, this channel was created in Cameroon, so it picked up the location. So what do? You can either click here, update location, or you can come to settings at this left corner. You click on settings, it will take you here, and then you're going to go to channel, and then you see basic settings, and then you can select country of residence. So this way you can just go along, right? You can click here and select any other eligible country. So just as we saw in the YouTube help, here you will see all the other countries that are available. Or here it shows all the countries. Wherever you are, you can just set, if you put it on Cameroon, for instance, you will still not be allowed. So you see Cameroon is not even here. So you have to choose a different country. So let's say you can choose maybe Canada. That's it. That's one way. If you clicked the other way through, if you clicked here on where they said update location, you will see take you to the same place. You see it took you to the same place. You click, select any other country that is amongst the monetization countries, and then you click on save. Click on save. It's going to save. You see that's updated automatically. So you see the dashboard, this dashboard, the earn dashboard has changed automatically. It's now saying earn on YouTube. The next milestone says start your earning journey. You can see it's giving you the various ways you can monetize, and then it shows you that how you need to get monetized. What do you need? You need 1,000 subscribers, and then you need 4,000 watch hours, not views but hours, right? So all your content views put together should be equal to 4,000 hours, or 10,000 or 10 million views on shorts. So you can simply say, okay, get notified. So you simply click here so that YouTube will notify you when you qualify for monetization. So we can just click get notified. So anytime you qualify, they are going to send you a message on your email. They are going to send you an email to say that you are finally qualified. Thank you. It's working, and it works. I have channels monetized from Cameroon and channels of others who are based in Cameroon. I have helped them through, and they have monetized their channels. So wherever you are in the world, this is the simple trick. You just do that and you get your channel go through, and you'll be able to monetize. So if this channel was already up to date with the 4,000 view hours, you see the apply button would automatically show up, and then you apply for YouTube partner program. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please kindly help us to like, share, and comment, ask questions where you need clarification, and we'll be back to clarify your doubts. Thank you. Stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.